Hey,
Donnie
bro.
Richardson, what's up, brother?
Man, been a good day. Been a good day.
It has.
Yes, sir.
What went down today?
Well, I did two daycares for uh, a lady that she owns two of them. And then I landed a 21 location physical therapy deal
Nice.
with uh, results
Oh,
physical therapy physiotherapy. I think it's called
hmm
physio.
that's
Yeah,
that's
been a
awesome.
good day.
That is great.
Yes, sir.
So they approved the estimate, or how'd that go? They,
Well, I did one about a month or two ago,
mhm.
maybe 2 months ago, something like that. And um, then she contacted me today, asked me if they could get on the schedule for another location. And I said, absolutely. And I just asked her flat out. I said, would you like for me um, to schedule all of them in the Houston area so they can, get all on so they can all get taken care of and on the same timeline. And she said, yeah, that would be awesome. Please do. And I said, okay, while I'm at it, would you like for me to send you a quote to do all of them in the Texas market? And um, she's a little hesitant on that one, but she said, well, let's for right now, let's go ahead and just do the ones in the Houston area. And I was like, okay, no problem. Just whenever you're ready, we can do it.
That last
Excited about it.
conversation was today.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
21 of them are in the Houston area.
yes, correct.
Man, Houston is so big.
Well,
21 results physiotherapy.
well, Texas overall has 66 locations. 21 of them are here, and then the rest are in Austin, San Antonio, and Dallas. But um, their main hub is up in Tennessee, where they've got 121.
Hmm.
So, just something to think about.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, I know you already do work for them because that's how I got in with them. So, you know, I don't know how y'all do it, if y'all do just one at a time or if y'all do all of theirs or what, but
We definitely don't do all of them. Man,
I would
we
I'd
definitely don't.
contact her and say, next time she sends something or even just out of the blue, say, hey, we could get you taken care of. Because I just said, what the heck? Let's shoot my shot, and go for it
How did they find you?
through you.
Aha, it was through that
I'm guessing.
that list, huh?
Yeah, I'm assuming that's how they
Yeah,
found me.
probably because I sent them an email with everybody,
Mhm.
and it's probably the same lady.
Um, Michaela Black.
I think so. Dude, I'm so glad to see something come of that.
Yeah, yeah.
Sometimes, I'll put my head down and oh, this could help people, and and then I never hear anything. So just hearing some fruit came
Hmm.
from it. 21 locations, dude.
21
that is
locations.
awesome.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice. Very good day. Very good day.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching Dusty Lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.